Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very
So
smoothly.
today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, which one of the following statements is not correct? Option A, Mahanadi river rises in Chhattisgarh. Option B, Godavari river rises in Maharashtra. Option C, Kaveri river rises in Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Tapti river rises in Madhya Pradesh. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the correct answer of this question is option C. Kaveri River rises in Andhra Pradesh. So Kaveri River is a river of southern India, rises on Brahmagiri Hills in Western Ghats in Coorg district of Karnataka. So the question was asked is not correct. So you have to carefully read the question. So you should not make silly mistakes. So this was all about question number one, and you should know the important rivers of Indian river system. So that's it about this question. Let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements. First, appellate tribunal for electricity has been established by each state government in India. Second, one of the component of the accelerated power development and reforms program is upgradation of sub-transmission and distribution system for electricity in India. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B, two only. So by the virtue of section 1110 of the Electricity Act 2003, an appellate tribunal for electricity having jurisdiction throughout India has been set up to hear appeals or original petitions against the order of the adjudicating officer. But in states like Delhi and Odisha, electricity has been privatized, so the statement 1 is wrong and it is not present in Jammu and Kashmir. So this was all about question number second. You should know the appellate tribunal, about tribunal also. What is tribunal? Is it is mentioned in Constitution of India or not? So was tribunal there in original Constitution of India, or it is added by some constitutional amendment? So you can read about all this stuff from standard sources. So this was a question that I told you from the perspective of polity, that is whether tribunal is mentioned in original constitution or not. So this was all about second question. Now let us discuss question number third. Which one of the following is not a biosphere reserve? Option A, Agastya Malai. Option B, Nala Malai. Option C, Nilgiri. Option D, Panchmari. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Nalamalai. So Nalamalai is not a biosphere reserve. It is hill of Eastern Ghats which stretches over Kurnool, Maha, Mehboob Nagar or Guntur and Kadapa districts of the states of the Andhra Pradesh. So I have already told you the importance of some topics like national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, community reserves. So these are very important for from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and you should cover these topics from standard sources, and you should also locate these important biosphere reserves on the map of India. So this is very important topic and you should cover this topic. So let us discuss question number 4. The latitudes that pass through Sikkim also passes through. Option A Rajasthan, B Punjab, C Himachal Pradesh, D Jammu and Kashmir. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A Rajasthan. So the latitude that passes through Sikkim also pass through Rajasthan. So you should know which other states that latitude pass and longitude also. So and which are the states from which equator passes. You can read it for India as well as for world. So this is very important topic, and likewise you can also prepare about Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. I mean that Tropic of Cancer line passes through which countries or which states of India. Likewise for Tropic of Capricorn. So that's all about question number 4. Now let us discuss question number 5. With reference to Changpa community of India, consider the following statements. First, they live mainly in the state of Uttarakhand. Second, they rear the Pashmina goats that yield a fine wool. Third, they are kept in the category of scheduled tribes. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option B 2 and 3 only. So the Changpa are a semi-nomadic Tibetan ethnic group found mainly in Janskar region of Jammu and Kashmir. They rear the Pashmina goats that yield a fine wool. They are kept in the category of scheduled tribes. So you should know the important scheduled tribes and scheduled castes. So some scheduled tribes are very important. So you should cover this topic from standard sources. UPSC has already asked about PVTGs, that is primitive vulnerable tribal group. So you should also know how many PVTGs are there, what are the significance of it, and what are the facilities that are available to PVTGs. So likewise the question can also repeated in upcoming prelims examination. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you.